Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm doing an unboxing. Ken from the US, one of my regular viewers, was generous enough to donate to me a frequency counter, one of his old ones, and tells me it still works. That's wonderful, and I'm looking forward to having this on the bench. So let's get this thing opened and let's have a play with it. Alright, and I mean, it was posted on the 20th of December, and it got here, well, yesterday, and that was the 8th of January, I think. I could be wrong. So that was pretty quick, and the box is in excellent condition, so it wasn't abused by the postal workers out there, that's for sure. Alright. Get that out of the way. Nice packaging. Oh gosh. We'll get there. You know what it's like. Almost like unwrapping Christmas presents, just much more difficult. And we'll get there now, nearly there, and we're there. Cool. Alright. Now, I always have trouble. How do you open this thing? Oh well. I have no idea. Aha, got it. Oh wow, that's really well packaged. And here it comes. Got it. Nice. And there it is. Get this, all that shit out of the way. So, let me see which way does it go. It goes the other way. But anyway, I'll leave it there for now. And there it is. Leave it where it is. So on, off, kilohertz, megahertz, and of course resolution, and a few other buttons. That's okay. I'm going to get my strip down transformer, because this is 120 volts of course, and I will plug it in and turn it on. Ken recommended I'll leave this on for 5 minutes before I connect it to the signal generator over there, and then we'll test that out and see how accurate that old generator is. And also, might as well test out the audio generator too. So I'll get the power to it and warm it up and be right back. Right, the unit's been sitting there for at least 5 minutes, and when I turned it on, the screen just gave a bit of a flash, and there was nothing there. But pressing the kilohertz button and the resolution, it lit up, which is great. Alright, so connecting this up, all I need is a T-bar BNC, male to 2 female outlets. And if you haven't done this before, and I always wondered, how do you set these up? Because I thought there might be an input and output on the actual counter, but usually no, from what I understand. And just a male to male BNC power cable. So one end to our generator, the other end there into the counter, and of course the other end will go off to BNC to alligator clips and connect to your radio. So let's switch on the generator and see what we get. So far nothing. Oh, there we go. And what am I on? the generator tells me, geez, 490, but it's actually 442. So I would normally go 455. There we go, 455 kilohertz, and it's on, well, I think 455. It is. Wow, that's pretty good. I'll try and zoom in on that just so you can see and get that glare out of the way. So a bit of an angle, but it looks like it's reading just before 450, but it's just over. So that's close enough. That's close enough. Let's go to megahertz. There we go. So it's 1.5825 megahertz, and yeah, I'll bring this down to 1.4 according to the dial. 1.39. Oh, sorry, yeah, can't see. 1.39, and I'm right on 1.4, or as close to it as I can get. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. The generator is not too bad. It's nice to know. Nice to know. So I'll set myself up and get that audio generator into it, and we will see what that does. Okay, I've got the my Tronson audio generator plugged in, and yeah, you know, I think I've mentioned this before. It's just a cheap Chinese one, and I don't know how accurate it's going to be, and I don't think it's going to be that accurate. But let's turn it on, and I've got it set at 40 times 10, so it's 400 hertz, and let's see what we get. And we get 420, 419, 426, 421, 423. Okay, and if I turn it down, let's go to 300. What if I go down to 200? So it seems to be more accurate the lower you go, at 150. 154. Anyway. It's telling me that that's not too accurate, but it's great. It's great. And again, this is going to come in very useful for alignments. You know, it's just nice to know you're spot on with the frequency when you're doing those that sort of work. So, guys, that's it. And I forgot to mention the model, or the make and model. It's a BK Precision Dynascan Corporation, model number 1805, 80 megahertz frequency counter, and certainly. I'm pretty sure Ken said 70s, and going by the colour, certainly looks at sort of cream and greeny type of colouring they had back then. But a great unit. So thank you, Ken, again. Very useful for me. Appreciate it. And guys, that's it. So there it is. Frequency generator. We'll use it in the future. And I'll be back very soon, no doubt, with another radio. Take care, everybody, and goodbye, and stay safe.